Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. Here you go, folks. Nightmare situation. You pull the lug nuts off, one of the lugs break. Alex is going to show you how to get that off of there. Get that out. Bam. One whack. That sucker is gone.
New one goes
Take
inside.
the new one, put it
You
inside.
find a stud like that.
Okay, it's got the teeth on it. You buy it, whatever. The right size. It's getting that thing in position. Then you use the lug nut to pull it in.
Yep.
You use an air gun or something?
Air gun.
Air gun, he's going to pull that sucker in with an air gun. We're still rolling, folks. Very simple process. It's got to go in some. So
we're gonna put a washer underneath.
Okay. It's kind of like a spacer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ram it more.
Pull it in a little more before we use the spacer. So don't use the wheel.
No.
Oh yeah, that's almost through. See that?
Use a spacer.
Halfway through, put your spacer on. Damn, it's still not far enough.
Still not far enough.
Put the lug nut against it without it being screwed on. How much farther? Yeah, that thing's almost in.
Almost there. Yeah.
Yeah, you don't have a smaller spacer? Longer?
Somewhere, you
longer
know.
lug nut?
Somewhere. Deeper lug nut.
Deeper lug nut. Get that thing pulled in a little bit further. Hold it in just a little bit more.
Almost there.
That spacer. Here's a little spacer there.
Oh, there it is. Trying to go in now. You should probably go in now.
Alright, good. And folks, that's how you do it. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.